Well, it's a rainy morning this morning here in Vietnam. It is the rainy season. Had to uncover my drain since the pond was starting to fill. I usually keep that little pail or whatever the hell it is over the vent stack so I don't get the sewer gas. It's fucking nasty. Pardon my French. But when it rains a lot, it doesn't drain as fast as it should with that little cap on it, so I pull it off. And everything's fine. And it'll drain back down and everything will be good again. The Oscars are actually, well, the small Oscar is actually eating fish. He's eaten 2 since I've owned him, 2 guppies. But it's not nearly enough. And so yesterday I went out and got 2 Arowanas. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Like snakefish. They're pretty cool looking. They're not, they stayed near the back of the pond, against the wall a lot. Just kind of swim around back there. They were checking the pond out yesterday. They're supposed to be carnivorous, so I'm hoping they like baby cichlids. I've got plenty of those for them. Let's see if we can get one to swim over here. I don't think so. I see some people's fish are so happy when they come near their pond. The fish come and greet them, look at them. My fish, if I stand over the pond, they freak out. Oh, here comes one of the Arowanas. Yeah, you could almost see him. Yeah, in the back. Swimming around back there. But yeah, my fish just hate it. If I stand over them, even with this tripod here sometimes, they don't seem to like it too much. But I haven't fed them yet because it's been raining all morning, so I'm thinking they're ready to eat. I know the Oscar is. I'm going to cut him a piece. That's a really big opening. Alright, so that's a fish ball. Hi, buddy. You see it? Right there. It's all for you. There it's gone. He got it. No one else has a big enough mouth to take the damn thing, so it's not like he's not going to get it. Spit it back out. Still trying to manipulate it. Now the other fish are going to start chasing him around. They know he's got food in his mouth. So, there he's hiding in the back. That certainly perked up the other fish. Now they want theirs. I guess I'm just going to give them some dry. The Oscars really don't like the dry food, so that'll make them want to go out and eat more fish, I think. I haven't seen the Arowanas eat yet. I brought them home yesterday afternoon. They've just been swimming around. They might have ate last night, as far as I know. If I'm missing a fish, I'd never know it. But they haven't bothered the dry food yet. And I know that they make dry food for them. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Usually takes a fish a couple days to get used to their new environment and figure out what the hell they're going to do. Set up their own little corner of life. Although there's getting fewer and fewer corners in this pond, like these damn babies are coming. So at some point, these people don't start eating them. I'm going to have to start scooping them. I already tried Facebook to give them away. Nobody responded, but that's a small town. So. There's a turtle, he's eating. He likes fish balls too. He usually takes them and hides them somewhere. I don't know how he could. A fish can get anywhere he can. Alright, well that's a rainy day in Vietnam. Thanks for watching. We'll see what happens with these new fish. I'm sorry they didn't make an appearance for you. They are just liking the back over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. One, where'd they go? Oh, there's one. This one, oh, right there. That guy. A little grainy when you zoom that far. But yeah, that's them. They just hang out back there. So far, they haven't done much. Swim back and forth. They weren't very expensive. 360,000 dongs. That's maybe $12 US. And they're about, oh shit, they're at least a foot long. I don't know my metric, but they're at least 12, 15 inches, something like that. So anyway, I'll post some more videos. Maybe they'll get more active in the sun, or once I get more used to the pond.